Did you know that you can bake divine cakes completely without animal products? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're making vegan pistachio cookies with plant-based white chocolate. With a little imagination, something truly special can be created. Now let's move on to the preparation. We beat the soft coconut oil and date paste, which give natural sweetness and lovely aroma, until they combine into a smoothie mixture. We add aquafaba, the perfect vegan substitute for eggs, and mix again until we get a creamy texture. After that, we fold in spelt flour for a delicate dough structure, ground pistachios for the wow effect, salt and vanilla. The dough will be soft and a bit oily, and that's completely fine. We shape it, wrap it and leave it to chill for about an hour. When the dough has chilled, knead it lightly if needed, so it's easier to roll out. Roll it out and cut out shapes with cookie cutters as you like. Bake it 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 20 minutes without fan, just until the edges turn lightly golden. Then the most important part, let them cool completely. That's when they become nice and crisp. Meanwhile, melt vegan white chocolate, let it cool slightly and dip the top part of the cookies into it. On the other half of the cookies, add homemade pistachio cream. If you'd like the recipe for how I made it, let me know in the comments and I'll film it next time. Once the chocolate sets, sandwich the two cookies together. Finally, we made crisp cookies with a gentle pistachio and coconut note, a hint of dates and a natural sweetness, without animal products and full of flavor. If you enjoyed the recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe and check out our playlist with other delicious vegan recipes. See you soon!